Hey guys, it's me, 1001 Crazy, and you're gonna see my dog right now. She's right there. Did you see the camera? She's afraid of the camera, but don't worry. Well, I haven't made a video in a while because of school. So, I'm gonna do one right now, and it's gonna be kind of like, like the thing where there's no place like home. What's her name? Oh my god. Dorothy, I think. Well, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, ready? There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. So, yeah. That's all I was ever gonna do. So, I was really bored and I was making videos, and you guys can find me in Facebook. I think there might be one for 8001 Crazy, but if you don't see one for 8001 Crazy, go to Jennifer Jeanette Castro, and that's where you'll find me. So yeah, that's my dog. Very annoying. Oh, nasty. Yawning and everything. She's trying to give me kisses. Well, okay then. Bye.